Hello everyone, it's Dan from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm going to take you through adding your own projects to Peter for WordPress. So as you can see in the demo content, we've given you some lovely examples of some portfolio items, but what we're going to do is go through the process of creating one of your own. So to begin with, we'll head into our dashboard and we'll go to Portfolio and Add New. I'm going to start by giving this a name. I'll call it a cool project. We're going to assign it to a category, so I'll put it under Dan stuff, and we're going to give it a featured image. Now the featured image is quite important as it's what's used to showcase the project on the home page and in your archives, etc. So choose a nice image. And before we go any further, I'm going to go ahead and publish this, and let's take a look. Okay, so in its default state you'll see we've got the category appearing, the project title and the featured image. Wonderful. Now we're going to go ahead and go through the various options available here in the meta boxes and what they do. So the first one you come across is the item width. Now this is the actual width of the item as it appears in the archive and portfolio template. So you can see here we've got a nice staggered section of images, and at the moment this one is showing up nice and small at the top here. If you want to change that, you can specify one of the other widths provided. So if we change it up to 70 and reload, you can see the image is now much bigger. And there we go. And now the next boxes we've got actually applied to the content within the project, and we'll go ahead and just show you exactly what each of these does. Now you can add as many of these sections as you want, and you've got 4 different types to choose from. So you can choose just to have text, you can have a gallery, a slider, etc. We're going to go ahead and add one of each just so you can get a general idea of how it all works. So we'll start off by having a nice text section, just with a little bit of text. Maybe make that a nice title. And we're going to add another section, and we'll make this a gallery section. There. Now this will show them in a grid, but we'll demonstrate this in a moment. Next up, we'll choose a slider, which as it sounds will show the images in a nice little slider arrangement. I'll choose these 3 there. Now it's best to have the slider images all the same size just to stop the slider from resizing, but you can do if you wish. So if you've got loads of different size images, you can use them, but obviously be aware that will show in the slider. And finally we can choose one nice single image. So again, if we wanted to specify, say, this backpack one here, we can do so. Let's go ahead and update and take a look and see what that looks like. You'll see as we've added each section, we've got the type of content we've selected. So we've got the text block here, we've got the gallery, we've got the slider and a single image. So a good working example of how you might want to use these would be maybe to have a couple of images in the gallery instead, and then maybe break that up with some text. So if we pop in a text section, oops, and we'll pop in some random blurb and move this up. We can essentially use this to break each of these parts up a little bit. So if I update the page and refresh, you can see we've got the featured image, a bit of text, a couple of images, a bit more text, a slider and a single image. So it's really up to you. You can mix and match these as you see fit. And that's it. If you do have any problems with how to use the portfolio area, then do come and see me over at support. Other than that, thanks for watching.